My name is Jake Westwood. I'm an apprentice at Greenhous DAF. I joined Greenhous Commercials on the 8th of August, so I've been working here about 7 months. My day-to-day tends to be servicing and inspecting vehicles, mostly working on quality control before MOT. I'm an apprentice, so all I really do is the little jobs and then stepping up to get towards the big jobs. What I like most about my apprenticeship is the difference in people and the huge variety of the way everybody is. I can go and ask anyone for any help and I can learn more and more each day from different people. I like working for Greenhous Commercials because it's one of the best companies that I've ever seen in action, and I just feel like it's more fit for me and I can enjoy every day. I think Greenhous Commercials is one of the best companies to work for because of the numbers it produces each year, and I've seen in the PRP meetings and the way they treat their staff. We're always been putting on different training and development plans just to sort of increase performance. The DAF Apprenticeship scheme is brilliant. We go down to Bristol every few months for 2-week blocks and a great bunch of lads from different companies, all under DAF, and I really enjoy it because I get on well with them. I think the proudest moment I have for working for this place is just getting the job. It got me out of sitting at college. Now I'm physically doing something in the workshop and I've got a final production, which is, a service truck or something that goes back to the customer that they're pleased with.